embrace, where shadows dance, and melody unfolds a mournful trance. The symphony of a life, once grand and bold, now fades to silence, a story untold. The stars above, once beacons of light, dim and flicker, surrendering to night. The moon, a pallid orb, casts a ghostly hue, as the world below succumbs to a final adieu. Oh, the end of all things, a cosmic pyre, consuming all in its relentless fire. From galaxies vast to the smallest grain, the universe unravels, leaving only pain. Mountains crumble, their peaks reduced to dust. Oceans recede, their depths consumed by rust. Forests wither, their emerald canopies gone. A desolate wasteland where hope has withdrawn. The creatures that roamed now lie still and cold, their songs of joy a memory to behold. Humanity's legacy erased in a blink, as the world surrenders to chaos's brink. The fabric of space-time, once so intricate, tears apart, revealing a desolate fate. Black holes yawn wide, the gravitational pull, dragging everything towards an eternal low. The laws of physics, once so steadfast and true, now crumble like dust as the universe anew. Time becomes irrelevant, a meaningless void, as the cosmic dance reaches its final chord. Oh, the end of all things, a cosmic pyre, consuming all in its relentless fire. From galaxies vast to the smallest grain, the universe unravels, leaving only pain. In the face of oblivion, what meaning remains, as the tapestry of existence unravels and wanes? Is there solace to be found in the impending doom, or are we condemned to an eternal cosmic tomb? Perhaps in the ashes, a flicker of hope, a seed of rebirth as the universe takes a new scope. From the remnants of the old, something new may arise, a phoenix from the flames, reaching for the skies. Oh, the end of all things, a cosmic pyre, consuming all in its relentless fire. From galaxies vast to the smallest grain, the universe unravels, leaving only pain. In the vast cosmic void, where all is lost, we are but fleeting echoes, our memories and thoughts. As the end consumes us, we embrace the unknown, a final farewell to a universe overthrown.